We're just around a month away from Samsung's official unveiling the Galaxy S24 series, but thanks to tech insider Evan Blass, we don't have to wait until the announcement to get some insights. Evan Blass, known for sharing tech information, posted a picture on Twitter revealing the date of the Galaxy S24 launch. According to the image, Samsung is planning to introduce its new flagship phones on January 18, 2024 at 3:00 a.m. The image also hints at Galaxy AI, suggesting new smart features driven by artificial intelligence for the Galaxy S24 series. Additionally, the picture includes sparkly emojis similar to those used by Google Bard, hinting at potential features resembling Google Bard. Furthermore, recent leaked images have showcased the various color options available for the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Additionally, we now have access to official specifications for these phones, identification numbers associated with specific phone carriers and those not linked to any carrier were discovered on @and_tease website. The Galaxy S24 series is expected to place a significant emphasis on AI capabilities. These phones will be powered by either the Exynos 2400 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, both capable of on-device AI processing. This suggests that the Galaxy S24 phones may offer exciting AI-driven features, such as real-time language translation during phone calls, speech-to-text for up to 10 individuals in voice recordings, text conversion and summarization in Samsung Notes, image expansion, wallpaper generation, and more. The leaked official specification sheet, courtesy of the renowned leaker Evan Blass, reveals that all three models in the Galaxy S24 series boast impressive screens with a 120Hz refresh rate, excellent brightness, and Gorilla Glass armor for protection. The S24 and S24 Plus come with aluminum frames, while the S24 Ultra features an even stronger titanium frame. All three phones are water-resistant and feature an under-display fingerprint reader, along with convenient features like Samsung Knox, Samsung Pay, and wireless DeX. Notably, the S24 Ultra comes with an included S Pen. What are your thoughts on these upcoming Galaxy S24 series features and specifications? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section and stay tuned for more updates in future videos. Peace out.